So you might not have old gold to sell like everyone's talking about on YouTube at the moment. You might have brass, you might have aluminium, you might have stainless steel, other non-ferrous metals kicking around like copper. They could be worth potentially at least quadruple the value of something just by giving it a clean. We can do it for you in our Vapor Blaster, and if you don't like that satin finish and want to go for something a bit more shiny, well, we can start polishing it for you and getting things looking absolutely fantastic and gleaming. That way they'll be ready for you to put out on your online store or sell in your local second-hand store. Simple. Upcycle, make the most of what we've got and get things looking fantastic again and put money in your pocket at the same time.